As much as I don't want to do this, I gotta rebuild the suspension on the 450. This is bad. Trying to go racing, can't have that. It's not gonna work. I hate rebuilding suspension, this shit's trash. Makes a mess every time. And on top of that, it's like 100 degrees in the garage, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun tonight, but I wanna get this done. I wanna get this done tonight and not have to do it tomorrow, so I can go riding the day after. Just to give you an idea of what I'm working with here, pretty disgusting. Hate it. I haven't ridden this bike because of this. That's the reason that I'm usually on this one. It's because the suspension on this one's so bad. I like this bike better in almost every way. These gloves don't stop brake clean. Gloves, and it stings like a bitch, especially in between your fingers. It's 9:30. I think I started at 6:30, maybe 5. Crazy. You could probably tell by the sweat on my face that it's hot as fuck out here too. But it's done. Springy. That's how it needs to be compared to this one, leaky. Not how I want it. Probably gonna knock out the other one tonight. Fuck it, might as well stay up. Get this thing done. It's Friday. Trying to go riding Monday. Need it done. What other choice do I have? See how fast I can get this one done. Hopefully not be up all night. So last night I finished the last fork. Didn't take too long. Probably hour 15. I was out here till 11:30, I think. Started at 5 or 6, something like that. All cleaned up now. Ready to go. I would recoat this, but I just can't right now. But yeah, I just gotta throw this in. I have the pleasure of doing the shock tonight, which I really am not excited about. I actually think doing forks is better than shocks. I hate shocks. Anyway, I gotta throw these back in and get started. I don't want to be out here all night doing this either. So last night, after showering myself in oil, I did finish bleeding the shock. Took me a while, had to bleed it a couple times, but we're good to go. I just gotta put the spring back on, get this thing in the bike. So last night, after I got the shock back in, I found that it was awful bouncy and definitely not how it should be. I tried messing with the clickers and everything, that wasn't it. I ended up pulling everything back apart, pulled the shock back out, and having to bleed it one more time. I got some more air to come out of it, made sure that the bladder was inflated to where it needed to be, threw it back in. Bike's back together now. Still feels a little bouncy. I think it needs to break in. Ran into this issue before rebuilding shock. Get it back in the bike, it feels like a pogo stick just bouncing. And then I ride it, and then it feels okay after that. I think it just needs to break in, get the fluid warm. Who knows? We'll see. I could be wrong. I might ride it and it might feel like trash and I gotta do this all again. We'll see. But it's back in place, and now I can go riding.